I need to get myself a new battery. I said, Jim, what should I do? There's so many different batteries out there. I did a little bit of research, found out that anti-gravity batteries are the best batteries on the market. So that's what I'm doing. I got myself an anti-gravity battery, and we're going to put it in the porch here, and it's going to be fantastic. Hey there, folks. Jim Rickert here, Rickert's Restorations. Well, I'm back with my anti-gravity battery, and I'd like to show you a few of the features it has. First off, it's incredibly light. Battery probably weighs 6 or 8 pounds. What other battery is that light? Secondly, it has this restart technology. Basically what that means is, let's say you leave your headlights on. Let's say one of your buddies leaves his vape pen plugged in and you go to start the car and you got nothing. What do? Well, you got to call somebody. You got to go get the truck, get the jumper cables, just to get the porch started. Well, now what we have with this built-in technology, it has a jump pack built into the battery. So what you got to do is hold this button here, and what that'll allow you to do is crank over the car and it'll start. It also comes with this key fob. You push the button, the light comes on. That lets you know that the car is ready to start. Well, I'm thinking, how the heck does that work? So I call up my buddy Bart over at Antigravity, and what he told me is this. He said, Jim, imagine if the battery has 6 cells in it. He said, normally it operates on 4 cells for its day-to-day use. And it leaves those other 2 cells kind of for an emergency. So more or less, if you do leave the lights on or that vape pen kills the battery, well, it's dead. Well, it's got those other 2 cells that are gonna start the car in a pinch, and you'll be back on the road. It's no wonder this battery doesn't work. It's from 2016. This covers usually, well, I haven't had it on in a while because I have to hook this thing up to plug it into the house when I'm home. Aha. Now, oh my God. I'm not strong enough to get this thing out of here. Oh my gosh. I forgot how heavy batteries are. Oh my God! Oh, it's got to weigh 50 pounds. This, I can put in with a couple of fingers. All right, that's that. I don't know what this goes to. I think because normally batteries have some sort of vent, I don't think the anti-gravity battery has a vent or a need for it with its lithium-ion technology. We're getting close. Looks like the install is near completion. I did opt for the CK Tech lithium battery tender type thing. I don't know what you call it, a battery charger. It's an intelligent, I don't know. It's like a battery tender, but not a battery tender, because battery tender is a brand name. It's basically like rollerblades. It's called inline skating. Rollerblade's a brand. You don't know this? Anyways, went with the CK Tech lithium battery maintainer, and we're gonna hook this up so that way when I park the car for any length of time, I can plug it in, and if there's any kind of a parasitic draw being drawn, these porches are known for that. That way, won't have any issues, and that's that. Very important to do, make sure your terminals are in good shape. Mine are in halfway decent shape, they just were a little bit crushed from the last battery that was on it. What you always want to do anytime you're working on the porch is make sure you got the right tools. You're going to always have to use the correct stuff, which is why I have only the best snap-on equipment. I could assure you that there's a proper pry bar for this, but this snap-on flathead screwdriver is going to do exactly what needs to be done. It needs to go open a little bit more. Keep that on there, just so I don't zap myself accidentally. And that's that. Everything's tight. This goes in. Done. That's that, folks. As you can see, C-Tech gives you this fantastic little bag to hold your maintainer, and then it also gives you a diagram on the back with how to use it. It shows you that there is a plug which goes into the battery harness, and then also a plug which goes into your wall outlet in America. Thanks for watching.